Hello guys, we are here in the Seda Ayala hotel again. This is actually our 4th time, and if you're going to the same place for 4 times, then you must love coming here. And in this video, I want to show you some of the things that we love about this hotel. We love about the room and yeah, generally the service and amenities that we get here. I'll start with the room tour. All right, we have a closet area right here. We have some amenities. Example, these fluffy slippers. They're great. I love them. And here we have the lavatory, and the lavatory is quite big. We got this yellow mood lighting, which I love. And we have some of our own toiletries here, and then we have been provided with some toiletries here from the hotel as well, like soap. We got toothbrushes, we got a vanity kit and shaving kit as well. Furthermore, we have a nice toilet with a working bidet. That's cool. And then we have the actual shower room here. Pretty big. I think you could probably fit a cow in here if you tried. Probably wouldn't, because we're on 12th floor. Okay, let's go out here to the actual room. Here we have my wife. And we got a TV with a lot of channels. So when we lay in bed, we can watch a lot of movies and just enjoy, relax, have a good time. And the bed is quite big and it's very comfy. You can see how many pillows there are. The blankets is quite thick as well. I like that. And the mood lighting behind the bed is lovely. And then we got this little table here right next to the television, where we got some eco-friendly bottles, because that is the thing right now. Every hotel needs to be eco-friendly. Got some tea, sugar, coffee, yeah, everything that you might need in the morning. Got some coasters, cups, glass. And over here we have a table where we have been provided with some chocolate and a greeting card. Here it is. Yeah, you can see it for yourself. It's very nice. Love this. Then we got a chaise lounge over here, where we can lie down and look out the window, both during the day and during the evening. It's just nice. You can see all the lights here at night. I hope you can, at least. And yeah, here's the room. And here's my wife. I will go to the club room tomorrow for breakfast, and we'll also go for the afternoon tea tomorrow and for the cocktails tomorrow, so you can see that as well. Furthermore, we will go and check out the pool, and we'll see the gym as well, because this hotel has a lot of amenities that you get when you pay to stay here. So that's great. Good morning, guys. We are here in the club lounge for the breakfast. So I want to show you how it looks like. Over here we have a cocoa area. The local kind of cocoa. Personally, I don't like the taste of it, but it is healthy, I've heard. And then we got some danget, dried squid, pork chorizo, Spanish sardines, cereal, milk, jam, other things. What is this? Oh, pancakes, bread, potato, spam, bacon, egg. Got this. Corned beef, dried fish, sauteed vegetables, beans, of course, rice. Over here we have a lot of vegetables, some bread. Oh, purple yum bread. That's nice. And still in the club lounge. I just forgot to show you the coffee station and the fruit and vegetables as well. Here it is. A lot of different things. Very nice. Some cheese. Some, can't remember what it's called, prunes. Very nice. When we got back from breakfast, they have given us a few surprises. The first one is some chocolate on the bed. Some nice chocolate. We got this one, that one. And furthermore, they have made us a bear out of the towels. Look at it. Look how cute it is. With the headset on and the cap on. What do you think, babe?
That's nice.
Yeah, that's very nice. Hello everyone, as promised I was gonna show you the gym of Seda Ayala, and here we are. It's actually a quite decent sized gym. Here it is. Got dumbbells up to about 23 kilos, 50 pounds. Then we got a lot of machines, treadmills, and then we have a highly professional trainer right here.
I'll go.
That's right, man. And yeah, that's how it looks. It's great. I love it. Hello guys, as promised, I'm gonna show you the cocktails as well. Here at 5 to 7 we got the cocktails, and it includes a few snacks as well. So here it is. This is our friend Robbie. He has helped us with a lot of things. What do we have here? Fruit salad. We got vegetable sticks. We got some fruit in glasses. Cheesecake, carrot cake, panna cotta, canopy bread, and of course our trusty cocoa area. And we got some other things here. We got some fish, Hungarian sausage, chicken, quesadilla is back. They're wonderful, by the way, these ones. I love it. They got the cheese and a selection of drinks, which Robbie or the other girl will mix for us if we ask for it. Tomato sandwich and this thing. It's great. Awesome. Love it.